Today on World MSME Day, we're honored to launch both Improving Economic Dynamism and Accelerating MSME Growth in presence of Shri Nitin Gadkari, Honorable Minister, MSME and Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, Shri B.S. Yediyurappa, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Trivendra Singh Rawat, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Shri Vijay Inder Singla, Minister of Education, Public Works, Government of Punjab.
It is a great pleasure and great honor to welcome all of you to the release of this report titled Improving Economic Dynamism and Accelerating the Growth of MSMEs on International MSME Day. Now, as most of you already know, India has nearly 6 crore MSMEs that employ about 11 crore people, which is about 40% of India's non-farm workforce. MSMEs account for 25% of our services GDP and about 1/3 of our manufacturing output. And they're critical to the distribution and supply chains for every large company. So truly, they are the backbone of our economy.
Sir, the recommendations are in 3 parts covering short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Financial regulatory support can help MSMEs restart operations, retain jobs in the short term, and survive the crisis. Beyond the short term, the medium term requires further ease in doing business, and the long-term goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat would require a massive entrepreneurial movement to aggressively pursue local and global opportunities.
Presently, we have 29% contribution of MSME in our growth, GDP growth. 48% of export of our country is from MSME. And up till now, we have created 11 crore jobs. So this is a great contribution of MSME towards the economy of our country. Last year, up to end of March, the turnover of village industry that comes to 88,000 crore. And I feel that this is one of the important sector where all state government and central government, we need to concentrate more on that. Particularly the backward, tribal, economically weaker sections.
During these unprecedented times, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given us the mandate to go vocal for local. It is my strong belief that strengthening MSME sector is the primary step to achieve this. My government is doing its best to help MSMEs in the state during these difficult times, sir. My team has been tirelessly working to provide all necessary support for MSMEs in Karnataka. We have helped industries with their labor requirements, facilitated movement of goods, ensured adequate safety, and fast-tracked necessary government approval for resuming operations.
Ever since our government has come in here in Meghalaya, we have been really stressing on entrepreneurship. And this has been through a number of programs. We have always said that entrepreneurship has to be the backbone for the growth of Northeast and Meghalaya also specifically, and obviously for the country as a whole. We started off, sir, number one, by recognizing the entrepreneurs. In all these years, entrepreneurs were never given a pat on their back to tell them that they're doing a great job. Another very important thing which we did was we had a mass business plan competition. We called it the Chief Minister's E-Challenge competition. That was the second very important thing we did for entrepreneurship. Third thing which we are doing now, sir, is we're creating prime hubs, which are basically incubation centers throughout the state in every district.
MSME का समुचित विकास रोजगार के अवसर बढ़ाने में और आर्थिक विकास में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होगी। लॉकडाउन के पश्चात हमारे जो उद्योग हैं वो पुनः हुए हैं और वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, पुनः उनका संचालन हुआ है। हमें विश्वास है कि धीरे धीरे इस तरह से प्रगति आ रही है। एक बार फिर जो हमारी आर्थिक गतिविधियां हैं और रोजगार के जो अवसर हैं उनका पुनः सृजन होगा और पूरा जो ये सेक्टर है ये बहुत जल्दी पटरी पर आ जाएगा।
When we talk of Punjab, in the Punjab, we have large number of MSME sectors, barring few industries. Approximately 2.5 lakh units are under the MSME sector. From the time our government came in since 2017, we try to bring out 2-3 good policies so that we are able to get more investment to our state. We are able to provide better facilities to our entrepreneurs so that they are able to invest in our state.
We hope this is just the beginning to come and spark conversation and concrete actions towards transforming India's MSMEs.
Thank you.